If you're a Muslim, I want you to understand that your dua is going to become a reality when you finally understand what the word kun, fayakun means. I want you to really focus because the words are super important. Allah says when He decrees a matter, He only says to it, be, and it becomes. Allah says kun, and it becomes. Allah doesn't say kun and then it gets created. Allah says it becomes, which means that this is a command in the unseen world. So understand, to be something is not to create something. So when Allah says that He can just say be, Allah is not saying that Allah can just say this and then things happen automatically. Allah is saying that in the unseen world, Allah will say kun, which means if you want to be rich, Allah can literally just say kun and you will become rich internally first, because this is a command in the unseen world, and everything seen comes from the unseen. That's why Allah says that He created the skies and the earth in 6 days. Allah is the divine. He could have literally made everything in a moment, but Allah is telling you that space and time, they need to take time. The creation is not instant, but the becoming part is instant. So you becoming rich internally can happen right now, but the creation part will take time. It's so obvious. Allah is telling you to be, feel rich first, and then the outside is going to match that, because Allah is going to change you by Himself. That's why Allah says that He will not change the condition of a people until they change their nafs. How do you change your nafs? Activate the power of kun, fayakun. Allah will say kun, become rich, and then you'll be rich internally. Give it enough time, the outside world will match exactly that, because Allah Himself says that. So now how do you truly activate this power of kun fayakun? You activate the power by calling upon Allah. How do you call upon Allah? Within yourself, which means go inward. Allah says He's so near. The only reason why you can't feel the presence of Allah is because your mind is too noisy. You think too much and you feel too much. Watch your thoughts. Become the observer. Watch everything, and then your thoughts and the emotions are just going to slowly subside. Once they subside, there's only one thing that remains, and Allah says everything perishes except the face of Allah. When your thoughts go away, the only being that remains is the presence of Allah within. Allah created you and knows exactly what's happening within you, because Allah Himself is closer to you than your own thoughts, closer to you than your own breath, than your own veins, than your own blood. And when you're in touch with the divine presence within, that's when kun fayakun becomes a reality. And that's when Allah will say, be rich, and you'll feel richness. Be love, and you'll feel love. Give it enough time. The world outside is going to be changing. It's going to take time. Allah tells you the world outside takes time, but the change needs to happen inside first. That's why Allah says, will not change the condition of a people till they change their nafs. That's how you change your nafs, habibi.